My brothers and sisters, every day we enter places that affect our hearts, our peace, and our connection with Allah, often without realizing it. Today, we uncover 6 common places that silently invite Shaytan into our lives. Once you know them, you'll protect your home, your mind, and your deen. My dear brothers and sisters, Allah has taught us that our surroundings shape our hearts. Some places weaken our iman, attract sinful thoughts, and open doors for Shaytan to influence us. These 6 places are found everywhere, in our streets, our homes, and even our daily routines. Mufti Menk often reminds us, guard your environment, it guards your heart. Let's begin. 1. Places where Allah is forgotten. These are places where sins are normal, where people boldly disobey Allah, and where reminders of Him disappear. Shaytan loves environments where dhikr dies. When you're surrounded by gossip, backbiting, indecency, or shamelessness, your spiritual shield weakens. Remind yourself, every step you take should increase your iman, not destroy it. If you can't change the environment, move away from it. 2. Places of constant noise, distraction, and filth. Shaytan thrives where there is chaos, loud quarrels, music that fuels desires, or environments filled with disrespect. Even a home can become such a place. If anger, shouting, or fights dominate, keep your home filled with Quran, calmness, and mutual respect. A peaceful home suffocates Shaytan. 3. Lonely places where sins are easy. When a person isolates themselves only to scroll, watch, or engage in secret sins, Shaytan whispers the loudest. He promises temporary pleasure, but leaves you with emptiness and guilt. Remember, your alone time should be your strongest time with Allah, not your weakest moment against desires. Keep your private moments pure. 4. Places without modesty or boundaries. Areas where modesty is ignored, whether online or in real life, invite lust and weaken iman. Shaytan beautifies what is haram and makes you forget the consequences. Lower your gaze. Limit exposure. Protect your heart. What you allow your eyes to see is what shapes your soul. 5. Places where haram earnings are made. Any place where cheating, dishonesty, unfair dealings, or exploitation happen becomes a playground for Shaytan. Mufti Menk often says, your wealth carries the energy of its source. If the source is dark, the life it builds will also be filled with darkness. Keep your earnings pure, and Allah will fill your life with barakah. 6. Places where Quran is never recited. A home without Quran becomes spiritually empty. Shaytan feels comfortable where Allah's words are silent. Even one ayah a day changes the atmosphere. Make your home alive. Recite before sleeping, in the morning, or during stress. Where the Quran lives, Shaytan flees. My beautiful brothers and sisters, protect your heart by protecting your environment. Avoid these 6 places, and your life will fill with peace, clarity, and barakah. This is your reminder from Spirit Deen. You deserve a life illuminated by Allah's mercy. Don't let Shaytan decide your direction. If this reminder touched your heart, like, share, and subscribe to Spirit Deen for more powerful Islamic guidance. Before you leave, type this powerful dua in the comments. Ya Allah, protect my home, my heart, and my family from every whisper of Shaytan. May Allah guard you, bless you, and keep your life filled with His light. Ameen.